Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you how to create a macro for the field dates. And here's the macro that I have created earlier for our convenience. So I'm gonna show you how to get this work here in this spreadsheets. It's still empty right now. So I'm gonna run this macro field dates. I'm gonna run it. As you can see, the macro runs, and the macro says that it should start from the second row. Although it says here for I equals 1 to 10 row, these are rows 1 to 10. But the formula that or the code that I have created here is the I variable I plus 1. That's why it will start on the second row, because I said this is the I variable I equivalent to 1 to 10 rows, but I said here I plus 1, so that's why in the spreadsheet it started on the second row. Okay, A2, so it skipped one row because of the plus 1. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some tweaks in this code. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this plus 1. So it's only variable I, then the column, first column, which is number 1 column, that value. Let's see what happens. Okay, it started on the second row. I'm gonna delete this. Then I'm gonna run the macro. I'm gonna run it. So now it starts from number 1. So my variable I says 1 to 10. So it's only 1 to 10 up to here. See, if I tweak a bit more, I'm gonna say this is 20. Okay, then let's go back. Then we'll run the macro. I'm gonna open the macro dialog box. I'm gonna run it, and up to 20 rows. Okay, A20. Right, I'm gonna delete this. Then I'm gonna tweak, make some tweaks a little bit more. Okay, instead of 20, I'm gonna put it back to 10 so that it will be shorter. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this 1 to 10. So let's see what happens. 1 to 10. Gonna run the macro. Okay, start from row 1 now. Okay, row 1 to 10. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. Let's say I'm gonna start from row number 3. Okay, let's say I have a title here on the first row, and then I've got headers here on the second row. So the data will start from 3. So let's say, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this from for I equals 3 to 10, and then going back to the Excel. Then I'm gonna run the macro, run it. So see, it started from row number 3. Okay, then since I said 1 to 10, so up to row number 10. See what happens here? Because I said 3 to 10. So what happened is I got how many? I got only 8 rows now. Okay, 8 rows. Although it stops at row number 10. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. So what happened is, okay, I'm gonna go back to number 1 again. For I equals 1 to 10. So it will be looping through 1 to 10. This is the row numbers 1 to 10. So I'm gonna put plus 2, plus 1. Okay, plus 1. This plus 1. Let's see what happens. Okay, this is the first thing that we got. Sorry, I'm gonna open the macros. Then I'm gonna run it. So if I put I plus 1, it will start on row number 2 up to row number 11. Okay, because although it's 1 to 10, row number 1 to 10, but I put variable I. 1 to 10 is a variable I plus 1, so that's why it started in row number 2 and it's added up to row number 11. Okay, how many are this? How many dates are this? So count 10, so it means because I put I plus 1. Okay, so that's how you fill the dates using this code. Dim I as integer for I equals 1 to 10, the rows 1 to 10, then cells is the variable I, which is equivalent to 1 to 10, plus 1. I added 1 so that it will start on row number 2, and then I did it in column number 1, that's it, and that value equals date plus I, variable I, negative 1, and then next I to complete the looping. Alright? So that's it for our exercise, for today's exercise. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.